mystery implant found during dissection of Peru's alien mummies. Researchers made the unexpected discovery while conducting an examination of the controversial remains. Jamie Maussan's alien mummies are back in the news again this week, this time after an alleged metallic implant of some kind was found wedged inside a mummified hand found at the excavation site. The mystery began when Maussan, a controversial figure even in the UFO community, presented what he claimed to be two alien bodies at a formal Congress hearing in Mexico City back in 2023. Supposedly found buried between the Peruvian cities of Palpa and Nazca in 2017, the two bodies reportedly contain unknown DNA and were, as Maussan put it, not from this earth. His claims went on to generate a great deal of controversy and debate, with experts slamming his discovery on the basis that the aliens, quote-unquote, were thought to be little more than human mummies. Since then, several other claims have been made, ranging from the finding of additional mummies to a fingerprint analysis suggesting that these entities might not actually be human after all. And now, during a forensic dissection of a mummified hand found at the same site as the other remains, experts have discovered a strange metallic implant embedded in the palm. It's a very complex metal alloy that requires special knowledge and techniques to be able to achieve it with such quality and purity, said Navy forensic doctor Dr. Jose Zalce Benitez. It was possible to identify elements such as aluminum, tin, silver, copper, cadmium, and osmium, among others, in smaller quantities and percentages. So could this piece of strange metal be a genuine implant, or was it placed inside the hand after death, perhaps as part of some sort of ritualistic practice? And in any case, does this really add credence to the idea that these remains are extraterrestrial? So the search for answers still continues concerning these alien mummies. This is by Mail Online on Unexplained Mysteries by T.K. Randall. Please leave your comments and thank you for your support. Please support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.